think the first thing are the bearings in the idlers, which you can replace. It's just normal bearings. The printer will tell you the resonance is not okay anymore for belts or the carbon rod resistance. So it will only tell you. Our wiki, I don't know if you know our wiki. We have a big wiki with do-it-yourself articles, basically for every part that you can replace it. So I would recommend that. There's also a maintenance recommendation that shows all the greasing.
A couple of our sales team has these in their house.
Sensible data, you can shut it down completely from the network. Yes, you can do that. It's a setting in the slicer or on the printer itself. If you have the same spool loaded, it will work. Yeah, that's a good thing. You can empty them all up without a problem.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
No worries. Have a good day.
Have a good show.
Watch the step. Kein Problem.